Hey guys, what's going on? Happy New Year to everyone. We made it to 2021. Welcome back for another review. We're gonna get straight into it. This is the Digi Floral small box logo short sleeve tee. Straight out the bag. Let's get it. Let's show you guys how it looks. Rate it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, man, here it is, the small box logo Digi Floral short sleeve. You can see the small box logo right there on the chest, embroidered. See all the flowers going down on the shirt. Here you guys could check the tag. I've noticed that on Supreme t-shirts and long sleeves, the wording is written a little differently than on the sweater, so make sure you check that out for any legit checks. You can see the print seeps through the shirt. And yeah, man, there you guys have the short sleeve. Let's get into the next item, guys. This is the Digi Floral corduroy shirt, navy, size medium. Both shirts are size medium, guys. Let's get it out the pack and show you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. Alright, here you guys go. There's the tag. It's all buttoned up with Supreme buttons there. You guys take a good look at the shirt. Long sleeve shirt here for you guys. Give it a like. There's the little Supreme tag right there on the breast pocket. You can see the pocket right there. And yeah, guys, I forgot to show you guys on the t-shirt as well. There's the Supreme branding right there on the t-shirt. Make sure you get that legit check. You can pause the video and check the tags there. And there you guys have it, the Digi Floral corduroy shirt. Same print as the short sleeve, guys. So rate it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I want to know. Alright, and last item, guys, last but not least, is the Kedora small box 6-panel hat, guys. Digi Floral print. So I noticed that this print is a little bit shinier, a little bit brighter, maybe a little bit lighter. You have the small box right in the front. You have the same flower, floral print going on around the whole hat. Kedora right on the side of the hat. See regular black strap at the back. Inside it says Kedora fabric. It's a 6-panel. Fits perfect. It fits nice. There you guys have the tag inside the hat to check for any legit check. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Look out for my giveaway in the next video. I'm gonna be giving away a lot of stuff, so make sure you're subscribed.